This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font size in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To change the default font size in Word, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Home tab. You want to make sure you're on the Home tab. Then on the ribbon in the font area, down to the lower right hand corner of the font area, you see these little arrows here. You want to click on those arrows. It'll open up a little dialog box here. And in the dialog box, I am on the Font tab. And down below there, you can choose between all kinds of things. You can change your font. You could scroll through here, change your font. You can change your font style from regular to italic to bold. And right here is your font size. Say that I wanted to go with my size to be 16. I'll click on 16. Then you want to go down to the bottom down here to where it says Set as Default. I'm going to click on Set as Default. A little dialog box opens up saying, do you want to set the default font to plus body 16 points? That's what I put in there, was 16 points for this document only, or for all documents. I'm going to click on for all documents, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now, as you can see up top here, my font size is 16 points. And that will be my default size for my text. Now, the only thing to watch out for if you're using a template. If you're using a template, the font size will probably be set to something else on a template. That is how to change the default font size in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.